Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Introducing myself, my name is Isi Mardiani, a Master of Accounting student at State University of Jakarta in 2023. Today, I will present my thesis proposal entitled The Effect of Institutional Ownership, Independent Commissioners, and Profitability on Tax Avoidance with Company Size as a Moderating Variable. Empirical study on banking companies is on the IDX in 2019 to 2023. Starting with the background of thesis research, there are several cases of the tax avoidance that occur in Indonesia. First, Tax Justice Network report that Indonesian loss up to $4.86 billion per year due to tax avoidance, equivalent to 68.7 trillion rupiah. Exchange rate 14,149 rupiah per US dollar. In the State of Tax Justice 2020 report, Indonesia ranks fourth in Asia in loss due to tax avoidance after China, India, and Japan. Next, the Directorate General of Tax conducted a re-examination of PT Penin's tax for 2016. The result of the re-examination showed that the total underpaid tax and penalties reached 1.3 trillion rupiah. Bank Panin object to the findings. In this case, the audit team initially found a tax deficiency of 926,263 billion rupiah. But the negotiation took place so that the tax liability was reduced to 300 billion rupiah with a commitment fee of 25 billion rupiah. Law number 28/2007 states the tax a mandatory contribution to the state that is used for the public interest. However, difference in interest between the government and companies often lead to tax avoidance. The government sees tax as a major source of revenue, while companies view tax as a burden that reduces profits. Companies often try to reduce their tax burden through tax avoidance. This phenomenon has a negative impact on state revenue. One of the factors that can affect tax avoidance is institutional ownership. Institutional ownership has an important role in monitoring, management, and reducing the potential for tax avoidance. However, research shows mixed results regarding its effect on tax avoidance. In addition, independent commissioners are tasked with ensuring the company's compliance with regulation, but their impact on tax avoidance also varies across studies. Furthermore, more profitable companies tend to have more potential for tax avoidance to reduce the tax burden. Then large companies tend to be more so they are more careful in taxation. However, company size can also strengthen the effect of institutional ownership, independent commissioners, and profitability on tax avoidance. Sunarto et al. Research 2021, Tahar and Rahmawati 2020 found that there is a significant influence between corporate governance, institutional ownership on tax avoidance. In contrast, Hartanto and Sudiogo Research 2023 saw that institutional ownership has no significant effect on tax avoidance. Dewi and Octaviani Research 2021, Pratomo and Rana 2021, and Nabila and Kartika 2023, independent commissioners have a negative effect on corporate tax avoidance. Conversely, in Purbawati's research 2021, that independent board of commissioners has no effect on tax avoidance. In Sudipyo Research 2022, Prabowo and Sahlan 2021, and Ardianto and Marviana 2021 show that profitability affects tax avoidance. Conversely, Apriliani and Kartika Research 2021 show that profitability has no effect on tax avoidance. Previous research shows different results regarding the relationship of this variable to tax avoidance. Therefore, this study aims to analyze the effect of institutional ownership, independent commissioner, and profitability on tax avoidance, with company size as a moderating variable, especially in banking companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange in 2019 to 2023. The research gap in this study lies in research by R.A. Putri et al. 2024, namely institutional ownership, independent board of commissioner, and green accounting on tax avoidance with company size on moderating variable. This study does not use green accounting variable and replace them with profitability variable. Nopitasari Research 2020 use independent variable, namely profitability, leverage, independent commissioner, institutional ownership, company size, and the dependent variable tax avoidance. In this study, company size is a moderating variable. Rita Andini Research 2022 entitled Analysis of the Effect of Institutional Ownership, Proportion of Independent Board of Commissioners, and Profitability on Tax Avoidance with Company Size as a moderating variable conduct research on the consumer goods industries on the IDX in 2015 to 2019, while this study used banking company list on the IDX for the 2019 to 2023 period. The problem formulation of this study is to identify the extent of the influence of good corporate governance using the variable of institutional ownership and independent commissioners on tax avoidance. One of the cases of tax avoidance occur in the Panin Bank case, which illustrate how tax avoidance practices can occur when the principle of good corporate governance are not implemented effectively. This is due to the fact that good corporate governance as a basic principle of corporate governance has become the focus of attention of many companies. In addition, significant profitability can be an important component that affects tax avoidance. Then the size of the company is as a moderating variable to what extent strengthens or weakens the variable of institutional ownership, independent commissioners, and profitability on tax avoidance. This study will provide an explanation of the influence between this variable and how each contribute to tax avoidance in banking companies listed on the IDX. Research question of this study. First, does institutional ownership affect tax avoidance? Second, does independent commissioner affect tax avoidance? Third, does profitability affect tax avoidance? Fourth, does company size moderate the effect of institutional ownership on tax avoidance? Fifth, does company size moderate the effect of independent commissioner on tax avoidance? Six, does company size moderate the effect of profitability on tax avoidance? Research objective of this study. First, to empirically examine the effect of institutional ownership on tax avoidance. Second, to empirically test the effect of independent commissioners on tax avoidance. Third, to empirically examine the effect of profitability on tax avoidance. Fourth, to empirically test whether company size moderate the effect of institutional ownership on tax avoidance. Fifth, to empirically test whether company size moderate the effect of independent commissioner on tax avoidance. Six, to empirically test whether company size moderate the effect of profitability on tax avoidance. Research benefit of this study. First, theoretical benefit. The research can enrich the literature and be used as a reference for further research and can increase the knowledge of academics regarding how the influence of institutional ownership, independent commissioner, profitability on tax avoidance, and how company size moderate the influence of these three variables on tax avoidance. Second, practical benefit. This research can be information for tax authorities to uh, find out what factor affect tax avoidance or influence taxpayers in making payment on their taxation. Relevant research of this study. Andan Yunianto, MC, Fitria Harjanti, Ati Purwati, and Alec Murtin in 2023 with the title Corporate Governance Mechanism and Tax Avoidance with Company Size as a Moderating Variable. Niputu Ayu Indira Yuni and Putu Ari Setiawan in 2019 with the title The Effect of Corporate Governance and Profitability on Tax Avoidance with Company Size as a Moderating Variable. Rita Andini, Aditya, Dian Andika, and Arif Pranaditya in 2022 with the title Analysis of the Effect of Institutional Ownership, Profession of Independent Board of Commissioners, and Profitability on Tax Avoidance with Company Size as a Moderating Variable. Suyanto and Tri Kurniawati in 2022 with the title Profitability, Sales Growth, Leverage, Tax Avoidance, Company Size as a Moderating Variable. Tisha Amalia Putri, Caroline Lukita Sambring, and Isana Sihin in 2024 with the title The Effect of Institutional Ownership, Independent Board of Commissioners, and Green Accounting on Tax Avoidance with Company Size as a Moderating Variable. Theoretical review of this study. First, agency theory reveals how the relationship between principal and agent. Principal as shareholders or entity owner trap hike and past returns on the investment they make in the entity. Meanwhile, the agent wants a reward such as incentive, compensation, salary increase, position, and other for this performance in opening the entity. Chris Philip Tanjaya and Nazir 2022. According to Handoyo et al. 2022, tax avoidance is an attempt to reduce the tax burden legally and not violate the rules to minimize the tax burden by using loopholes in tax provisions. Institutional ownership is ownership of company shares owned by institution or institution. According to Financial Service Authority Regulation No. 33/POJK MT4/2014, an independent commissioner is not a member of the Board of Commissioners who comes from outside the issues of public company and meets the requirements as an independent commissioner. Profitability is the ratio of the amount of profit generated by the company in a certain period. Wulandari et al. 2023. The size of the company is based on the value of equity, sales value, number of employees, total asset, and so on. Christy Tanjaya and Nazir 2022. Hypothesis of this study: first, institutional ownership affect tax avoidance. Second, independent commissioners affect tax avoidance. Third, profitability affects tax avoidance. Fourth, company size moderate the effect of institutional ownership on tax avoidance. Fifth, company size moderate the effect of independent commissioners on tax avoidance. Sixth, company size moderate the effect of profitability on tax avoidance. The following is the conceptual framework for this research. The population in this study is commercial banks on the Indonesia Stock Exchange, which amount to 49 banks for the 2019 to 2023 period. The sample technique used in this research is purposive sampling. The number of banks surveyed according to the criteria is 29 banks for the 2019 to 2023 period. The criteria used to select the sample are as follows. First, banking company list on the Indonesia Stock Exchange (IDX) total 49. Banking companies list on the Indonesia Stock Exchange (IDX) consecutively in the 2019 to 2023 banking companies list that publish annual finance. Total minus 6. Banking companies that publish annual report ending December 31 during the period 2019 to 2023, total minus 1. Banking companies that earn profit consecutively in the 2019 to 2023, total minus 13. Companies that become research samples, total 29. Total sample of company financial statement for 5 years, 29 times 5, total 145. Operationalization of research variable. Variable first, tax avoidance. The tax avoidance is an attempt to reduce the tax burden legally and not violate the rules to minimize the tax burden by using loopholes in the tax provision. Cash effective tax rate equal tax payment divided by profit before tax. Second, institutional ownership X1. Institutional ownership is ownership of company shares owned by institution or institution. Institutional of ownership equal total share owned by institution divided by total share outstanding. Third, independent commissioner. Independent commissioner are member of the board of commissioners who don't have financial management, share ownership, and or family relationship with other members of the board of commissioners, directors, and or controlling shareholder or other relationship that might affect their ability to act independently. Independent commissioner equal to number of independent commissioners divided by number of commissioners. Fourth, profitability X3. Profitability is a measure of company performance that reflects the company's ability to generate profit from its business activities in a certain period. ROA equal to net income divided by total asset. Fifth, company size Z. Company size is a reflection of the total asset owned by a company. Company size equal to LM total asset. Data analysis technique used is moderate regression analysis (MRA). First, descriptive statistics. Second, classical assumption test. Third, normality test. Fourth, multicollinearity test. Fifth, autocorrelation test. Sixth, heteroscedasticity test. Hypothesis testing of this study. First, testing the coefficient of determinant R2. Second, F statistical test. Third, T statistical test. Thus, the presentation of my thesis proposal. Please apologize if there are many shortcomings. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.